Hi everyone. So today we're going to be looking at the second part of lesson 1.1. We have already learned how to combine like terms, and now we're going to look at what happens when we have parentheses in an expression or an equation. We use what's called the distributive property. So to remind you, we use the distributive property when there are parentheses. Okay, pretty important, parentheses. I'll even highlight it, parentheses. And how do we get rid of those parentheses so that we can combine like terms if we need to? We start out by multiplying the term outside the parentheses to each term inside the parentheses. And then we combine like terms like we did in the previous part of the lesson and simplify as much as possible. So step 2 would be to simplify and rewrite the new expression or equation. So let's go ahead and look at an example. So remember, it says multiply the number on the outside. So in this case, it would be 3. This is outside of the parentheses. And we're multiplying it to each term. Each term, not just one term. I'm not just multiplying that 3 to the x. I'm also multiplying it to the 4. So a good way to show that is by using little arrows. We're going to multiply 3 times x, which is 3x. Don't forget your plus sign that's there. And then 3 also has to get multiplied by 4, and 3 times 4 is 12. Now, since we have another set of parentheses, we have to do it again. Okay, keeping in mind that that is a positive 2. So 2 times 3x is 6x plus 6x, because it is positive. And 2 times negative 5 is negative 10, or minus 10. Yay, we have distributed. There are no more parentheses. Now we just need to simplify by combining those like terms, just like we did yesterday. Okay, so with that, we're going to box any like term. So we have 3x plus 6x is 9x. So we combined our x's. Now let's combine our constants. We have a positive 12 minus 10, which is 2. And keep in mind it's a positive 2, so we can now combine these together to get 9x plus 2. And we can do that because that 2 is positive, which is why we would put the plus. We know we're done because we only have one x and we only have one constant. We don't have anything else that we can combine, and that is our final answer. You can use distribution property in expressions or equations.